In today's video, I'm going to show you Microsoft Planner, how to add a plan to your SharePoint site. If you're working with a team and want to keep tasks organized in one place, this is a great way to connect your planning tools directly with your SharePoint workspace. To get started, sign into your Microsoft 365 account from your browser. Once you're logged in, open SharePoint using the app launcher in the top corner of the screen. From there, go to the site where you want to add your plan. After opening your site, look for the New button near the top of the page. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, choose Plan. Now you'll be asked to give your plan a name. Try to choose something clear and relevant so your team can easily understand its purpose. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Your new plan will now be added directly to your SharePoint site. At this point, you can start building your plan by adding tasks. You can organize tasks into buckets, assign them to team members, and set due dates to keep everything on track. This setup makes it easy for your team to stay aligned, track progress, and manage projects without switching between different tools. And that's it. You've successfully added a Microsoft Planner plan to your SharePoint site. And that's how you can connect planning and collaboration in one place. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.